Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix BlueStacks crashing on PC. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your task manager. Over here, go to the Performance tab. After that, find Virtualization and make sure it is enabled. If it's not enabled, you will need to enable it from your BIOS. If it is enabled, then just close the task manager. Now, while you are still in Task Manager, go ahead and close any applications that may interfere with BlueStacks, especially programs that use a lot of CPU. After that, open up BlueStacks and go to Settings. Then, on the Performance section, set CPU allocation to high 4 cores, memory allocation to 4 GB, and performance mode to high performance. After you change the settings, BlueStacks will automatically restart. Now change the graphics settings. Over here, set the graphics engine mode to performance, graphics renderer to OpenGL, and GPU in use should be set to preferred dedicated GPU. Make sure ASK is on hardware decoding if available. After that, save the changes. Then update your graphic drivers. For NVIDIA users, open the NVIDIA app and check for updates. If you are using AMD or Intel, you can do the same using their respective apps. Next, open up Virus and Threat Protection. After that, go to Manage Settings, scroll down to Exclusions and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Yes, then add an exclusion for the BlueStacks folder or file. This will stop it from being scanned. If BlueStacks is still crashing, then go ahead and uninstall it and then reinstall it again. That should definitely fix the issue. So that's basically how you can fix BlueStacks crashing on PC. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.